Today I'm going to do something super simple for beginners, and I also wanted to show the beginners makeup artists that you can think out of the box. You don't have to always have to follow the rules with makeup. You can kind of experiment a little bit. I sometimes forget to think outside of the box because I'm not big on color, guys. But once in a while something comes up in my head, I'm like, I gotta do it. So I thought that this would be great for beginners. But if you're not a beginner and you're still here, guys, don't leave yet. I have a couple things that I'm gonna be saying at the end of the video, guys. I'm going to show you guys something you may learn from, and also I have something to tell you guys that I think it will be exciting for you guys, so don't leave yet. And like I said, it's gonna be super quick. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Paint Me Pretty Cynthia A, and if you're my loyal subscribers, hi guys, welcome back. So if you guys want to watch this video, then please please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get this started. I already did my eyebrows and I carved out my eyebrows. I put some powder on top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the simple step, and I want you guys to think out of the box. That was the reason for this video. Just kind of think out of the box. Don't always think that eyeshadow always belongs on your eyes. You can do eyeshadows somewhere else in your face. Like today I'm going to be doing a contour powder on my eyes a little bit, and then I'm going to use a liquid lipstick on my eyes and just do a nice wing on my eyes. I'm going to do it with green because St. Patty's coming, and if you are more of a simple type of person but you're going out, or you're a beginner and you just want a little bit of touch of green but you don't want to like overdo it, or you don't know how to overdo it, then I think this will be great for you. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to use is my N7. You can get this at Ulta. It is a bronzer. Remember guys, I already did my eyes, so I'm just going to get a fluffy brush, and this bronzer is very light, so I just want a little bit of color on my eyes, just so they don't look so washed out. But my main focus today is for my wing to pop, not my eyeshadow to pop. And also make it really easy for beginners and for beginners to think out of the box. Alright, so I'm just tapping my brush into the bronzer, and I'm tapping it on one side. And then I'm just going to do, like I always do, circular motion. If you're new to my channel, I usually do the circular motion. If you're not new, I'm so sorry that this is repetitive. But this is just the way that I do my eyeshadow. So circular motions, windshield wiper. Now I am going to go further down, because like I said, I don't want to look washed out today. I tap my brush one more time in the bronzer just to intensify the color a little bit, because it's pretty light, guys. This bronzer is pretty light. And you see how I like darkened it up a little bit instead of looking so washed out like that. Just no good. Well, at least I don't like it. Okay, get a clean brush, and where you stop that darkness at, kind of smudge it in with the light so you don't have a harsh line there. But it has to be a clean brush, guys, so you don't put any darkness up on where the light is at. And it just blends better. You don't see like that harsh line. Even though the bronzer is a light color, you still want to kind of blend it in with that lighter color. Alright guys, so moving on, I already put my mascara on. I am going to do my wing liner with one of these from Jeffree Star, because they're green and they're liquid lipstick. I try to look to see if I had any other green liquid lipsticks, and these are the only ones I have. I do have a liner that is by Inglot and it's green, but because I want to show you that you can think out of the box, one of these is going to be my liner. I'm not really sure which one though, because I like them both. I think I'm going to do the darker one today, but I do like the light one as well. This one's more of a minty one, and this is like a hunter green, I think. You don't have to dip the eyeliner pencil in if you don't want to. You can also pull the spoolie out and then put a little bit of the liquid lipstick on the brush, and then you have it right on that brush. Okay, we are up close and personal. So I always hold my eye because I'm old. And I find that whenever I just like try to do my liner like this, like my pencil or whatever I'm using, it kind of like skips. I hate that. So I want it like a little bit more firm, so I hold it. Alright, so all you have to do is, for beginners, just do like a little dot here, a little dot, and then kind of kick it out. And then you're going to connect those dots. Continuing, I'm going to do another dot right very close to your lashes. And then you're just going to connect the dots again. Alright guys, so if you want your wing a little bit thicker, what you do is don't go all the way to the top where that wing ends. Like, do one dot like a little bit further down, like here. You guys see that? And then like here. And do 2 dots. And then connect those dots. And you see how the wing got a little bit fatter? That's why you start a little bit further down. And then flick it out to make that end real thin. So guys, I'm not gonna lie, doing a wing is not easy. You gotta continue. Sometimes I mess up my wing and it pisses me off. If I'm in a rush, pisses me off because I mess up. One is like higher than the other one. It's just a pain in the ass. Okay, I think they're pretty even. So if they're not even, guys, there's different ways that you can fix the wing. My last video that I will link, I showed you guys how to clean the wing out with a face wipe. So I am going to link that video at the end of this video, so you guys can see that there's a way to clean your wing out with a wipey. Any kind of wipe. It doesn't have to be this one. This is just my favorite. But you can also clean your wing liner with a concealer. I know a lot of people know this, but for my beginners, they probably don't know this. So I'm going to show you guys how to make them like nice and sharp. So what you do is put a little bit of concealer, whatever concealer works for you, on your hand, and then get the smallest brush you have, like a concealer brush. Let me get it. And just get a small flat brush, synthetic brush, and clean right underneath where that line is at. Or if you want to make it smaller, then you go a little bit above, but my wing came up pretty good, so I don't need to cover anything up. And then you sharpen that wing up with concealer. Okay guys, so I did put my falsies on and I put black on my tight line. I did do a video on how to put your falsies on, how to put the glue on the falsies, and why you should put black on your tight line. So at the end of the video, I will link that video on this video, okay? Okay guys, so moving on, you never want to put a liquid lipstick on your waterline, nor on your tight line, because it's gonna burn like a So I do have a green liner. If you don't have a green liner, I suggest you get one. Please do not put liquid lipstick on your waterline. Like, this is your waterline. You don't want to do that. It's just close to your eye. No. No to that. But I do, like I said, I have a green liner. It doesn't have to be green. It can be white liner if you want to do white. If you can do black, whatever color you want. Because I do have a green liner from ColourPop, I'm gonna put it in on my waterline. These liners are so good from ColourPop. It's not even funny. I love them. Okay guys, so moving on, I'm going to go back to the liquid lipstick by Jeffree Star. This color, I forgot to tell you guys, this color is called Crocodile Tears. And I'm just going to put it in, this is a paintbrush guys. So think out of the box. You don't have to use brushes all the time. You can use regular painting brushes. And I'm going to, ever so slightly, go right underneath my waterline. Not in the waterline, please. Underneath. And then, can you guys see? Maybe I should do this side. Yeah. Right underneath the waterline. And slowly get really close to the waterline, but don't go, like I said, on the waterline. And stop halfway and then get a pencil brush and you're going to smudge it out. Now you have to work fast with liquid lipsticks because they do dry quickly. I do want to connect the green liner, the wing liner, with the bottom, so I just got a flat brush and I'm going to see, I hope you guys can see this, tap ever so slightly a little bit up and follow that wing. I think I want it darker here, so I'm just going to use my liner pencil on here. Okay guys, and I think that's good for my eyes and keeping it pretty simple but still having some green and thinking outside of the box. At the beginning of the video, I did mention to my not so newbies makeup artists to stick by to the end of the video, because I was going to show you guys a tip that I usually do and may teach you guys something, as well as I didn't say it was a surprise, but it is a surprise. It has nothing to do with the liquid lipsticks that I have, but I do have a giveaway going on at the moment on my Instagram, and I did want to mention it on here. But before I mention what it is, I do want to give you guys the tip on how I usually kind of combine colors together, because I'm not really good at mixing colors together. But today I decided to do green, so I was trying to figure out how to work with my face and make it kind of all balance out. And I do have a tip. I always do this, guys. I kind of cheat. I have a color wheel, and how this works is, if you have the greenest here, you want to look across, and these colors right here that are orangey-ish, in the orange family, that's what complements green. So I put some peachy color on my cheeks and peachy on my lip. But if you were doing a full eyeshadow look with greens, you can always mix some peaches in there, and of course glitters and all that. But today I just wanted, like I said, keep it simple yet think outside of the box for newbies. If you're not new to my channel, or you're not new to makeup, and you didn't know about the color wheel, I hope that it helps you out. And if you knew about it, I'm sorry that I'm repeating myself. But there are some newbies on my channel, and I just want them to understand color, and still to this day I don't understand color that much, so I have to cheat. So cheating is not bad. I always go back to that color wheel and make sure. I mean, of course you can mix all kinds of colors together with makeup, but if you did want to follow the rules, always have like a color wheel, or just look it up and kind of help you out. For the giveaway, guys, it has nothing to do with what I have on my face today, but I did post it on my Instagram, and I wanted to post it on here just so you guys can know that I am giving away a new highlight by Anastasia, the Amarizi highlighter. This highlighter is the bomb. Hold on, let me open it up. This is mine. I have a new one somewhere over there. I don't know where I put it at. This highlighter is amazing. I know this giveaway has nothing to do with the video, but I had to put it on here. So if you guys did not know about it, you can head on over to my Instagram and follow the rules. One of the rules is to follow me on here. So if you follow me on here, just comment in the bottom, I'm following you on here already, and follow me on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram account, it's okay, guys. You can still put down on the description, hey, I don't have Instagram, can I still enter? And I'm just gonna let you guys enter, just because I know everybody does not have Instagram. But if you do, that would be great if you go head on over to my Instagram and subscribe and follow me on there. So I'm trying my best to be fair. But back to this highlighter. So cool. Like, do you see that? Oh my god. If you are following me just on here, do me a big favor. Why don't you share my video on YouTube? I'm sure you have friends on YouTube that watch makeup tutorials. Just share it to them and let them know that I'm doing a giveaway. And if they don't have an Instagram, it is okay. And if they do, that's wonderful. They can go into my Instagram and they tag 2-3 people. I think that's the rules there. If you don't have an Instagram, I totally understand, but maybe your friend has Instagram, so that will work, you know, or maybe they'll just like me. So yeah, with that said, I love you guys so much. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, thumbs it up, and please comment. I love comments. And I hope that you guys enjoy this very quick video. I'm trying to do smaller videos for you guys so you guys can stick by. So yeah, with that said, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys again within 2 to 3 days. Bye guys.